My name is Farrukh Shamuratov and I'm founder of Shamuratov line, and I'm so happy today to present you these 4 interesting products. Actually, I was dreaming to have these products because I'm working more than 10 years and I was taking part in competitions. This product is champion edition because if you're gonna use these products, you will become a champion. This is the best products to create interesting, unique and difficult hairstyles. It's gonna hold very well and hair is gonna look very shiny, healthy and natural. It was my goal to have very natural and good hold and shiny, healthy hair. And I'm so proud to present you these products. If you're gonna try out these products, you're never gonna use different products. So it has less water and more silicone, and it dries so fast, and it's not sticky or wet texture. This is the best product, as I told you, to work faster and more efficient way. These are only 4 products that you need to create interesting, unique hairstyles. You don't need anything more. And a lot of people asking me what kind of products I'm using. I tried out many things, but we created the most interesting and unique products here. So get inspired.